Dear ISACHD meeting attendees, I would like to give you a brief update on the Approaches study project. Approaches is actually the acronym for Assessment of Patterns of Patient-Reported Outcomes in Adults with Congenital Heart Disease International Study. And the main research question of this project is, what are the differences in patient-reported outcomes, such as quality of life, of adults with CHD who are living in different areas of the world, and how can these differences, if there are any differences, be understood? This research project has a cross-sectional study design, and participating sites are free to conduct either a mail-based or a hospital-based survey, and we aim to recruit at least 200 patients with CHD per participating center. The coordinating center for this study is the University of Leuven in Belgium, and I myself am the project coordinator. So this world map gives you an overview of the status of the participating sites worldwide, and currently, as you can see, we have 24 participating centers, of which 4 have already started collecting their data: Melbourne, Australia, the Netherlands, we in Belgium, and Edmonton, Canada started already, and many other centers have obtained ethics approval or are preparing their submission for IRB approval. So with regard to recent developments for this study, we created standard operating procedures to streamline the process of data management and data collection. And these standard operating procedures, they include information on issues like ethics approval, study preparation and administration, but also recruitment and survey completion, data storage, entry and security, study progress, and our publication policy. So what we've done to promote the communication between the local participating sites and the coordinating center is we've created 2 Dropbox folders for our online data management. And actually we have one folder which is a generic folder for all participating centers, to which all centers have access, and this includes our standard operating procedures and many other key documents. And then we've also created a center-specific folder, so for each specific participating center, to actually exchange documents between the local site and the coordinating center and to update center-specific documents. And finally, we've also created an online data entry tool called Lime Survey, which is a very user-friendly online data entry tool. So all participating centers can enter their data in this tool, and then actually the coordinating center can export the data into an SPSS file for the data analysis. So that were the recent developments. If we then look at the planning of this study project, then we aim to obtain ethics approval for all participating centers by the end of this year. And then we hope to start with data collection everywhere in 2014. So 2014 will be the data collection year, and we have a data lock by the end of 2014 so that we can start with our data analysis in 2015. We also send out monthly info flashes of this study project, including, for example, a topic center in the spotlight, which highlights every month another participating center. The members of their team, but also their study progress, are discussed. And we also provide updates and give information about all recent developments in these info flashes. So if you would like to be in our mailing list for the monthly info flashes, or if you have any questions or suggestions, then please don't hesitate to contact me. So finally, I would like to thank you for your attention, and a special thanks to our participating sites and the International Society for Adult Congenital Heart Disease as our endorsing agency. Thank you, and I hope to share results of this study project in future meetings.